Alright, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you're coming from my iPhone Air unboxing and first impressions, thank you. And if you haven't seen it yet, please make sure to go check it out after watching this video. But currently we are at the Vancouver International Airport. We're about to fly out somewhere very special, but I can't reveal the destination just yet, but just know that the video that we're gonna make with this Pixel 10 Pro is going to be insane. But before doing any of that, we need to jump right into the unboxing and first impressions, just a quick little video, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. Now, the Pixel 10 Pro came out not too long ago. I've got it right here. I am an Apple fanboy. I don't use Pixel, so I am very excited to see what they have to offer and see if it's really worth it. Thanks to all those commercials that they've put all over internet, all over my For You page. I was like, you know, I might as well pick it up. So I've got the Pixel 10 Pro, as you guys can see, in the Moonstone color, the color that they advertise a lot. Now this is a 6.3 inch phone and I got it in the base storage, which is 128 gigabytes. Now, when I first did research on this phone, I found it very interesting that they offered 128 gigabytes as the base and not 256, like we've started seeing with many companies like Apple and Samsung. But let's just jump right into the unboxing. Before doing so though, I have always talked about how clean Google is with their, packaging. Like, look how aesthetic this is. Absolutely insane. There's two pull tabs right over here. We're gonna get the first one, boom, and then the second one, just right there. And these keep the phone in this little sleeve. And once you get the sleeve out, if I could get it out, it's always hard to get the sleeve out. Let's see here. Push that out if I can. There you go. Boom. We may not be able to accommodate all. And there you go, you've got this kind of nice looking pastel beige cardboard box right here for the Pixel 10 Pro. We're just gonna slide that right out, just like so. And boom, there is the phone itself. Absolutely stunning, magnificent color. Take that out. What do we have inside of the box? Inside of the box, we've just got the USB-C cable and literally nothing else. This is the most simple phone packaging I have seen in a hot minute through any company. Now here is the phone itself. Let's take off this packaging. Very, very sleek, very minimal. Boom. And here we are with the Pixel 10 Pro in the Moonstone color. Now, side by side with the iPhone Air, you can kind of see the resemblance that I was talking about, just kind of like the camera cutouts. I'm gonna set that aside, but this is the Pixel 10 Pro. It really feels like an iPhone. Just looking at it, if you don't focus too much on how it feels and the bezels, it really is giving like an iPhone 17 Pro. Crazy resemblance. Now, unlike the iPhones this year, the Pixel 10 Pro still comes with that SIM card slot right here. So that's pretty nice and convenient. Now, I have no physical SIM card, so I'll just be using eSIMs while on my trip. We'll see how that works out and see if I'm gonna have to use some mobile hotspot from my main device, the 17 Pro Max. But we're gonna power it on, just like so.
We may not be able to accommodate all carry-on baggage on United Airlines Flight 3.
And it is powered on. Now, I have so many thoughts that I need to just calibrate for this phone, but I can easily grip it in one hand. It feels very nice, very premium. It really feels like an iPhone. Now, as I mentioned, I'm an Apple fanboy. I have no experience with Pixel phones, and I barely have used them, but I can't wait to use them in a day in the life that's soon coming. So make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications so you're aware when this day in the life comes out, and like, comment, share it around. We're on a whole mission this month. Today is December 7th. You guys might be seeing this today or on December 8th, depending on how good airport Wi-Fi is and if I can actually publish these videos. But make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share it around. We are posting every single day this month, and you guys will not want to miss what we have in store for these coming weeks. Thank you for stopping by, and make sure to go check out the other videos. I'll see you guys tomorrow.